Every great transformation begins with a simple vision. This was once an ordinary classroom. A small whiteboard, plain walls, limited teaching space, a classroom full of potential, waiting to be unlocked. At Acoomat, we believe every classroom deserves more. So we began the transformation. First came our beautifully engineered 75-inch Acoomat interactive smartboard, bringing lessons to life through touch, multimedia, internet resources, digital content and interactive learning. Suddenly, teaching became more engaging. Learning became more visual. Every lesson became an experience. But we didn't stop there. To preserve the familiarity teachers love, while protecting the technology inside, we installed a premium sliding ceramic whiteboard system. Now, with a simple slide, teachers enjoy nearly 4 meters of uninterrupted writing space, perfect for mathematics, science, diagrams, brainstorming and classroom discussions. When digital content is needed, the ceramic boards glide effortlessly aside to reveal the interactive display beneath. Traditional teaching, modern technology, working together seamlessly, the result is more than a new classroom. It is a future-ready learning environment. A classroom that inspires confidence, empowers teachers, captivates learners, and prepares the next generation for a digital world. Because at Acoomat, we don't just install technology. We transform classrooms. One classroom, one school, one future at a time.